Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in Terminal, install Xcode command line tools so builds work. Next, get Homebrew to manage packages quickly. Once Homebrew is ready, install Python 3 and pips for isolated CLI installs. Make sure your shell recognizes pips by restarting Terminal or running the pips ensure-path command, then reboot the shell. This sequence avoids permission issues, keeps Genmoji isolated, and ensures repeatable installs, so you won't mix system packages with project tools. Now install Genmoji with pips so it runs as a standalone CLI. Pips install Genmoji. Once installed, verify it's available with Genmoji version or which Genmoji. That confirms path integration. If you're on Apple Silicon, make sure you used Homebrew's ARM64 Python or run the install under the correct architecture. Mixing x86 and ARM binaries can break native behavior. Also, allow any prompts for network access. Genmoji may fetch models or assets the first time, which is normal. To generate, run a simple command. Genmoji create happy cat style minimal out, /emoji, png and watch the output file. Once done, inspect verbose logs with Genmoji verbose if results are off. They show missing assets or permission failures. If Genmoji fails, upgrade via pips upgrade Genmoji and reinstall dependencies. Pips uninstall Genmoji, pips install Genmoji. One key troubleshooting tip. If model downloads stall, disable firewall or proxy temporarily and rerun the command. Network blocking is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.